Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Sorry the lighting's a bit bad, the sun is just about to set, but as you can see, I'm doing another Coleus video. I didn't expect to do one of these for at least 14 to 28 days because on the packet it said that that's how long that it would take to germinate these seeds, but we're currently on day 4, so as you can imagine I'm quite surprised and quite happy that these have sprouted already. I purposely just went in to have a look at these earlier on today just to make sure the moisture levels, and obviously this is what I was met with. So I've taken the cling film off because that's what it said on the packet. And some of these were getting a little bit dry, so I've just sprayed these down with a little bit of water, nothing else. And I will be moving these. I'll have to move this junk over there. Now these have sprouted. This is a south-facing room, so they will be sat over there with the nanas. I'll give you a little close-up. I'm just very shocked at, I think it's at least 95% germination rate, which I think is amazing. As you can see, some of them, well, most of them have got 3 to 4 in. This little one's only got 1 in. I think one of them's got 6 and I counted. But I'm very happy, very, very happy with this. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you like the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. And I will probably put another update video on these in the next week or two. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.